Welcome. In front of me I have the TCL 205, and today I'll go over unboxing along with maybe a quick overview of this device. So anyway, let me quickly grab something to open up the actual box. There we go. So this is probably going to be like a 10-watt charger. Nope, it's a 5-watt. So it's basically the worst charger you could get. We got some headphones. There we go. They don't look fantastic. Probably better to use your own. Here we get the cable. Come on, it's 2022. What is this micro USB? Anyway, here we also got our SIM eject tool and just paperwork. So that's basically all we get with the device. Now let's get a look at the phone. Now, before you start judging this device, I will mention that this is a $100 phone. So tone your expectations just a little bit according to the price. There we go. So I'm gonna turn it on, and while it's turning on, let me quickly go into the specs. So it's running a kind of like a cut down version of Android 11 Go. It's powered by a processor Unisec 9863A, so not the best, obviously. We have in this case 2 gigs of RAM, which is absolutely minuscule amount of RAM considering the year we live in, and it comes with 32 gigs of built-in storage. Now outside of that, I believe we do have expandable storage, so let me quickly check that out. And yep, we have expandable storage, so you can push it past the 32 gigs. You're not limited to that little storage. I'm gonna maybe quickly go to the setup just so you can see the home screen. Now another thing to mention, the battery size here. We're looking at a 4000 mAh battery with such a low powered processor. It should last a fairly decent time. I don't exactly know how long it's gonna last, but considering the screen and everything here is just kind of like more on a budget side, because of that everything here will be consuming less power, meaning the battery should last a fairly decent time. So there we go, there's our home screen. Now it looks like it's running basically, no, never mind, this doesn't look stock actually. It's close to stock. It kind of resembles just a typical Android, unless they change something in like the Go version of maybe 11. I might be unaware, but it looks fairly stock to me, to be honest. As you can see, we have a couple unnecessary apps like Facebook Lite. And in here we got, what else? Some kind of support center. Everything here looks stock, to be honest, or for the most part. So yeah, there we go. And let's touch up on the cameras maybe quickly. So as you can see, we have 2 cameras, and let's see if I can actually find quickly the details of them. Where is it? Nope, I can't seem to find much info about this phone, to be honest. There was something on the box, but obviously we don't got anything about the cameras, which is a little bit unfortunate. But judging by the actual, like, how they look like, these probably will be 16 megapixel sensor one, and the other one is probably something like a 5 megapixel or 2 megapixel macro or depth sensor. I am guessing right here just because I have no info about it, so forgive me for that. It's kind of hard to find info about this phone, to be honest. So yeah, and the display is an IPS LCD, so obviously no AMOLED or anything like that for this price, so hopefully you didn't expect it. It does get decently bright, though obviously in outdoors environment and like direct sunlight, I think it might be kind of hard to see it. It is also only 60 Hertz, so obviously something that you probably expected from a phone at this price range, and the resolution of it is around 720 by 1520, putting it at 270 pixels per inch with an 80% screen to body ratio. So that's about all I can say about the phone. It's just a budget device, to be honest. Nothing really special about it. So yeah, that's it. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.